What's up guys, I was Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to enter your website logo type into Astra WordPress theme. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much that helps us. After this, go to WordPress dashboard. To access WordPress dashboard is your domain plus WP admin or WP login. Enter with login credentials, review the left sidebar of menus, and hover a mouse over appearance. Once on appearance, hit the submenu, Customize. Once right here, wait while the page loads and focus into the left side of menus. Scroll down until you find the header options. Once on header, the first option is site title and logos, okay? So here is the options we have to work with. First thing, we need to upload our logo type. You can click on select the logo. Go to your media library, find your website logo type, for example this one. Edit the logo to make it hit the possible size. Just like this, okay? You can select the borders. And now your logo has been displayed, okay? You can change the logo widget in the case that you want. You can change the site title in the case that you wish. You can inline logo and site title if you prefer, up to you. You can enter the tagline and you can change the visibility to make it display or not on tablets, iPhones, phones, or desktop. And you can change the design, okay? After doing all the changes, hit the publish button, okay? And your logo gonna be changed. Simple, easy, and very effective. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!